Hi, I'm Anna Harris with FitEatRest.com, personal trainer and nutrition coach, and I'm always looking for new recipes. Lately, I've been ordering my produce from Fresh Midwest, and one of the items they offer is a Veggie Box from the Chicago Botanic Garden. I really love the variety, and I love that I don't know what's coming each week. So this week, I'm going to unbox it, show you what's inside, and then I'm going to cook with the ingredients throughout the week, and I will share that with you. If you have any suggestions for any of these ingredients, please comment on this video or on the Facebook page for Fit and Eat. So I would love to see that, and let's see what's inside. All right, I'm ready to open the box. I already cut it open, so all you have to do is open and see what is inside. First thing you see is the sign that explains that Fresh Midwest is partnering with the Chicago Botanic Garden to support their Windy City Harvest Initiative. So $5 from the sale of every box goes to Windy City Harvest, which is the garden's urban agriculture education and jobs training initiative. So not only are you supporting your home with these fresh veggies, but you're also supporting your local economy and making it greener. First thing we see on the top is this bag. It's great for storing your produce. It makes it last longer, and it's also biodegradable and recyclable, which is wonderful. Let's see what we get. First thing I see is grapes. Great snack, great fruit, and we can also use it in some recipes. Next, another fruit, still not a veggie, orange. Oranges, I get these couple of oranges. They're a great source of vitamin C, and I can use them in recipes and smoothies. Lots of options with the citrus. Next thing I see is an onion, and it looks like it's a plain white onion, or yellow onion maybe. So I use onion in pretty much all of the dishes I make, so it's a very versatile ingredient. Next up, red peppers. So red peppers could be used as maybe in a slaw. You could also roast them for something like fajitas. You could make stuffed peppers. So I got lots of ideas already. Next thing I see is a little jalapeno. And you know, I got one in a box last week, and what I did is I used it in a chimichurri jalapeno sauce. So I might do that again because it's actually a great little kick, great little addition. All right, next I see Italian parsley. So I think this might be another great ingredient for a chimichurri. How perfect. So I might use it there, or might use it in an Italian recipe. Oh, there's actually another jalapeno. I hope this is jalapeno, not another mystery pepper. So that's perfect. Next up, I see a sweet potato. So this is big enough for probably a family of 4. So this one I think roast, or I can also bake it and maybe use in a smoothie or a soup. So if you have any suggestions, definitely let me know. Next I see zucchini. Zucchini are super delicious on the grill. You can also use a broiler. So I'm not sure, I might grill them, or maybe use them as zucchini noodles, zoodles that are delicious. And I could also stuff them, maybe, like zucchini boats. So let me know what you think, what you would do. Next up, I see broccoli. Broccoli is great baked. Could also be used in a salad. Those are my first thoughts, but certainly let me know if you think of anything else. All right, next up I see fennel. Fennel is absolutely amazing with the fish. If you're a fish eater, it's great with it, but it's got this mild taste and very unique flavor that would be great in a smoothie as well. Let's see what we got next. Brussels sprouts. All right, Brussels sprouts. I like to roast them, but you can also add them to stir fry. Those are my first thoughts. Next up, a couple of apples. Oh, look, those red delicious. That's great. Another great thing about apples is if you are an avocado lover like me, and you buy them kind of hard avocados, a trick to getting them ripe is putting in a brown paper bag with apples. So that helps avocados get ripe a little faster. So, and it's a great snack as well. Next, I see a beet. And a beet is something I could roast. I could make a beet salad. I could make a beet soup. I could make a beet smoothie. I recently did a number of recipes with beets, so I could think of some more. But that's a great, great veggie because it helps oxygenate your blood. Great for recovery if you're an active person. Last thing I see, I think this is Bok Choy of some kind. So this is something that is great in a stir fry and just sauteed. It's delicious. So those are my ingredients. I'll show you a picture of all of them at the end. So give me some suggestions what you would like to do with them and let me know. All right, here's everything I got from Fresh Midwest Veggie Box today. And if you have any suggestions on what I can do with all this veggie and fruit goodness, let me know. I'm going to be making recipes all week long, so stay tuned.